Hi everyone, my name is Francesca, welcome to my channel. In a few hours we will walk into 2021. I'm trying to stay positive and be excited. We don't know what the next months have in store for us, but I think it's always better to start a new adventure with a positive attitude. Now we will prepare together my January monthly setup, the first of this year. I'm using the printable journal kit from my Patreon page. The theme chosen by my patrons is In the Snow. In the kit you will find a sticker sheet, a cover page and 4 pages with decorative and functional elements. Since I started my current notebook in September, I didn't create a setup for 2021. But if you want to see how I organize my new bullet journal, you can watch my video about that in the link up here. So now I start with my cover page as always. I recently bought this glue that I wanted for so long. It is a vintage glue because also my mom used it when she was little. I wanted to try it both for the packaging because how beautiful it is, but also because it is 100% natural and not toxic, and it smells of almond. I'm in love, it's delicious. It glues very well and with the little brush you can be super precise. It is a little wet, so I don't think it is suitable for use on thin paper, but I'm loving it very much. The name of this glue is Coccoina, and it is an Italian brand. So I don't know if it is easily available abroad, but if by any chance you run into it, I suggest you to try it. For the calendar, I'm using the same style of December, drawing rounded corners. While drawing it, I made some mistakes, but I corrected them with a white gel pen. If you watched my last month's video, you will remember that I had an appointment for a tattoo in December. I did it and I'm in love with it. You can see it in this quick clip. And I will get another tattoo at the end of January. I was very undecided since I just made another one, but in the end I decided to make the appointment. It will be a scene from Your Name, one of my favorite movies. I sent my idea to the tattoo artist and he answered me enthusiastic, since it was also one of his favorite movies. I really can't wait to have it and to show it to you. When my calendar is complete, I decorate the page with stickers of my kit. I always like to overlay the different stickers and create compositions. Sometimes I do it at the moment, inspired by the different colors and papers. Some other times I study it on my iPad before starting. Let me know in the comments if you usually go freestyle or if you prefer to create a draft of your pages. Yesterday I also published the video of my 2020 bullet journals flip-through. I always like to film a flip-through to find weeklies I've forgotten or to remember the past days. Sadly, I didn't use my bullet journal so much in the first part of the year, but it was beautiful to go through the pages anyway. If you want to take a look, I leave you the link up here. When also my overview page is ready, I move into the first days of the year. I draw a very simple spread, and on the next page I create a collage with stickers, papers and a little DIY envelope. I wanted to create a page to welcome 2021, writing some goals and wishes for the new year. I always like to create this kind of page, even if I think I'm not very good with them. The result is pretty good though, and I hope you like it as well. My January setup is now complete. I hope you liked the printable kit and the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want, subscribe to my channel. I also wait for you in my Patreon community or in my Instagram. I wish you a beautiful year. I'm sure it will be better than last one. I really wish you to always be happy. See you next month. Bye!